Hello everyone. Our project is image inpainting using deep learning. What is image inpainting? So in an image, there can be various parts which are damaged or deteriorated or some parts that are missing. We want these parts to be refilled again. So the reconstruction of such damaged parts in an image is called image inpainting. As we can see on the right hand side, there are two images, and in those images we have applied a filter which is a white rectangle, and this is the part which we need to reconstruct, and our project and our model will reconstruct that part, and the result can be seen on the right hand side of that image. Applications and relevance. What are the applications and what is the relevance of our project? So as we know, with the advancement of technology, a lot of people have converted to digital media. Now everyone is storing their photos in jpg, png, or other such various formats, and in such cases there can be various problems that we need to rectify. For example, someone could photobomb, or there can be some unwanted objects that are inserted in the image, or there can also be some text written over the image, which like watermark, which we want to be removed. Now what conventionally people do is that there are certain studios or certain people who have the skills, and we give these images to such people with the specification, and they manually perform these operations, and they give it back. What we want to do is to automate this process and cutting out the middleman and making this process faster, so that anyone who wants to uh, reconstruct their images, they can directly use our application and don't have to waste time or money over users. Who are the users that are going to interact with our platform? So actually, anyone who wants their images to be rectified can use this platform. So any common person who has an internet connection and and a laptop or any device with which they can connect to use a web browser, they can directly use our application. They can be considered as our users. Now other users can be photo editing studios, as they have a lot of clients. They can use our software and it will expedite their process, and they can do things much faster. Same goes for social media influencers who constantly use their images to keep in touch with their audience, and by using our platform they can save time and money. Now what are the softwares that we are using on our platform? First of all, on the front end side, the front end side is what the user actually sees. So in that we have used React, Fabric.js, and Tailwind CSS. The backend is the part where all the computations take place, and for that we have we our server is written in Flask. It is using Python, and we are also using AWS. Now our model is based on TensorFlow. It is also using Neural Gym, and obviously, as we are dealing with images, we have to use OpenCV. The database that we are using is MongoDB. Now let's see the user interaction workflow. So as we can see, this is our website, and it's our login page to our application. In here, the user can enter their email address and password and log into our system. This is the dashboard of the user. Currently it is empty. Now, if the user wants to add an image from the device, they can click on the new image button and select an image from the device. The image will appear here, and there are three options available. First is edit, then download and delete. The download button helps you to download the image onto the device. Delete will delete the image, and edit is where the rectification process takes place. So let's see edit button. So as we can see, we have loaded the image. Now using the mouse pointer anywhere on the image, we can drag and create white rectangular filters. So we have created a rectangular filter over the bird, and our model will reconstruct this part of the image by after clicking process. The loading screen will appear for some time. And once the image is processed, it will appear here like this. And as we can see, our model has successfully removed the image, removed the bird, and added water instead of it. And to a naked eye, or to a third neutral user, this would seem like a genuine image. Now also there is one more feature of choosing the version of this image. Here we can see the two versions that were added, and the currently selected version is the one on the right. So we can switch to different versions, and as many times as we, so here we have selected the second version. So that's it. This is how our project works.